Hi there, I'm Yolanda Zabo. I'm a tax principal and CPA here at Lane Gorman Truitt. Today I'm going to give you 5 simple steps to help you get ready for tax season. Let's dive in. The first step is going to be to make sure that you have your financial records organized. This is the most important step for any business. Make sure that you have your income statement and your balance sheet, everything up to date and entered into your tax software now. Trust me, this is going to save you a lot of time later. Next, you're going to want to look at all your deductions. Look at all your expenses, your receipts, vehicle mileage, home office costs. How about those industry-specific tax credits? All these can make a difference to really reduce your tax liability. Step 3 is to reconcile your accounts. Make sure you get your bank statements and your credit card statements and you match them to what you have recorded in your financial accounts. If there are any discrepancies in the information that you see in your books and the bank statements, fix them now before it's time for the year taxes. Don't forget to check for those missing forms like W-2s for employees, 1099s for contractors, and any other required document that you're going to need. If something's missing, now is the time to follow up. Finally, meet with your CPA early. Now is the time to meet with your CPA and discuss all the business changes that you have coming up, such as new assets, restructuring, employee changes. Any of these changes that you have, you need to definitely talk about it to help minimize those taxes down the road. Following these simple steps will help to set you up for tax season. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out to us here at LGT. Let's do this. Let's have a great tax season.